150 Essential English Sentences for Real-Life Shopping. Level: Beginner Intermediate. 1. Greeting and starting conversation. Hello, how are you today? Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hi, can I help you? Yes, I'm just looking, thank you. I'm looking for something. I need some help, please. Could you help me find this item? Excuse me, where is the fitting room? 2. Asking about products. Do you sell this? Where can I find milk? Where are the shoes? Do you have this in a bigger size? Do you have this in a smaller size? Do you have this in another color? Is this new? What's the most popular item here? Which brand do you recommend? Can you show me similar products? 3. Talking about prices. How much is this? What is the price? Is this on sale? Do you have any discounts? Is there a cheaper one? Why is this so expensive? Do you have a price list? Can you give me a better price? Is this the final price? Can I have a discount? 4. Understanding price and payment. It's too expensive for me. That's reasonable. That's a good price. I'll take it. I need to think about it. Can I pay by cash? Can I pay by credit card? Do you accept mobile payment? Do you take US dollars? Can I pay in installments? 5. Trying and checking items. Can I try this on? Where is the fitting room? Does it fit me? It's too big. It's too small. It's perfect. I like the style. I don't like the color. This one is better. I prefer the other one. 6. Food and grocery shopping. Where is the fruit section? I need some bread. I'm looking for fresh vegetables. Do you have organic food? Is this fresh? How much is a kilo of rice? Can I have half a kilo of apples? I'd like 1 bottle of milk. Can you cut this for me? Do you have plastic bags? 7. Asking about quality. Is this good quality? How long will this last? Is it strong? Is it waterproof? Is it real leather? Is it handmade? Is it washable? Does it come with a warranty? Is this safe for children? Is it easy to use? 8. Sales, promotions, and offers. Is there a sale today? Are these on promotion? Buy one, get one free. 2 for the price of 1. Everything is 20% off. This is half price. Special offer today only. When does the sale end? Do you have a loyalty card? How do I use this coupon? 9. Making a purchase. I'll take this one. I want to buy this. I'll buy it. I'll take 2 of these. Can you wrap it, please? I'll pay now. Here's my card. Here's the cash. Keep the change. Can you give me a receipt? 10. Problems and complaints. This is broken. I think this is damaged. Can I exchange this? I'd like to return this. I lost my receipt. This is not what I ordered. It doesn't fit. The color is wrong. The price is different from the tag. I want a refund. 11. Shopping for clothes. Do you have this in size M? I'm looking for jeans. I like this dress. Do you have shoes in size 40? Can I try the jacket? Where is the men's section? Where is the women's section? Where is the children's section? Does this shirt match these pants? Do you have a mirror? 12. Online shopping. Do you sell online? Can you deliver this? How much is the delivery fee? How long does delivery take? Can I pay on delivery? Do you have cash on delivery service? Can I track my order? Is this available in stock? Can you send me a picture? What is your website? 13. At the checkout. Is there a queue? Next customer, please. Please put your items here. Would you like a bag? That will be $20, please. Do you have smaller change? Please enter your PIN. Please sign here. Here's your receipt. Thank you for shopping with us. 14. Window shopping and browsing. I'm just looking. I'm comparing prices. I'm not ready to buy yet. I'm just browsing. That looks nice. I like the display. I'm waiting for a sale. I'll come back later. I want to see more. Let's check another shop. 15. Ending the shopping trip. Thank you for your help. I'll think about it. I'll take your business card. I might come back tomorrow. That's all for today. I found what I needed. I couldn't find what I wanted. Let's go to another store. I enjoyed shopping here. See you next time.